Take 105 for the intro. Welcome back to Cheap Lazy Naturals. Hey guys, welcome back to Cheap Lazy Naturals. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you know when we release videos. Also remember to follow us on Instagram and Twitter so you can see what we're up to during the week. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did my own Marley Twists. Took me 4 hours. I used 4 packs of hair. I used two different brands of Marley Twist hair. So this color here is color 30. So this is just a basic color. And then I also mixed it with this other color, which is color 27 and I think 101B, basically like a black slash, yeah, I think it's black and 27. Yeah, so I really love the way they turned out. Completely in love with them, but now it's almost time to take them down. So I just wanted to come and just quickly show you guys how I did them. It's really doable. So what I basically do is that I first just do a normal braid and then I get into a twist. I just feel like it's less tension on your scalp and on your roots. But obviously there's like the invisible way where you just begin to twist. I am not a fan of that. There's no right or wrong way. Just take whatever's easiest for you on your, like, depending on your technique level and what your needs are. So I'll be showing you guys how I did this. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this gorgeous hair, stay tuned. Okay, so like I said earlier, okay, so I'm using 2 different kinds of Marley hair. This is what they look like. The top one is color 30 and they're both different brands. They're different brands and they're different colors, mainly because I just couldn't find this top one, which is color 30, that I wanted to go for, but I found something that has color 30 and 1B. So I was like, it'll be fine. Like, I don't mind that the colors are different. So that's pretty much it. So what I do is that I go ahead and I moisturize. I've already moisturized my hair, but I'm gonna go in with this as I am. I'll show you, you can see this SIM double buttercream, which I absolutely love, and then I'm gonna go in with Eco Styler gel. So those are the things that I pretty much need. So when I do the front of my hair, here where my edges are, I tend to take a smaller section. For example, so this one comes with pre-sectioned hair like this. So when I'm doing my edges, I take 1 strand, but when I'm doing the rest of my hair, I take 2 strands, because I want that full look, which is what I'm trying to go for. So yeah, so what I pretty much do is take a section like this one. Let's just, and I know that there are people who like do a twist like this and then twist that hair. Yet to try that method, not because I don't like it or anything, it's just something that I haven't tried. So I'm gonna take about that much and then just moisturize that piece, detangle. So you want to make sure your hair is nice and stretched and detangled. Then I go in with some Eco Styler gel. So I'm looking here because that's where my mirror is, and if I don't have my glasses, guys, I can see nothing. So I am looking into the camera right now and I can't see much. So pretty much just to smooth out the hair, and then what I'll do is that I will go in with this little toothbrush just to make sure that I get everything. And then what I also like to do is take some gel and just apply it along the hair so that it blends nicely. It's a method I've seen and I'm just trying out for the first time to be quite honest. Okay. So for this section of hair, I'm going to take the color 30. And then what I do is that I do a normal braid first. So I'll do a 3-strand braid a couple of times. I want it to be nice and secure. And then once I get here, I will separate my own hair, and then I'll have these 2 strands, and then I will first twirl this one around itself. and then also twirl this one around itself, and then we can twist. So when I get down the line and take a bit more Eco Styler gel and just smooth out the strand with the rest of the hair. Do the same here. So don't do what I do and have this, where this part is so much longer than this. Maybe I'll just start again. My gosh, what is that about? Let's move this So make sure they're nicely even. And then I'll just start there. And then this is what it looks like. Pretty long. So yeah, maybe just a little close up. I quite like how it looks. So I'm just gonna continue to do that. I'll fast forward a little bit. Yeah, so just watch me as I do it. I'll pretty much just do the same technique over and over. So this is what the hair looks like in the end. Guys, I love this hair. I really enjoyed this hair. I didn't think I'd enjoy this twist that much. I normally do like short twists, but I really must say enjoyed this hair. I just want you guys to see what it's like. And then the length, oh, I might have to stand for this one. So this is the length, so it's about here. And my hair is not like, the way I did my twist is not even. I don't mind it. I like it to look as natural as possible, like as close to what my actual hair would look like as much as possible. So oof, wow, trying to look cute and this hair is just doing other things. So yeah, so this is what the final look is. I really enjoyed it. Let me know what kind of protective styles you guys are doing. Please, like, also drop us, like, tag us in your protective style pictures. I need ideas, because I'm planning to protective style for a few months at least. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate you.